Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius, fire sign. This is November bi-weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Sagittarius, fire sign. Maybe you're dealing with Capricorn. Under the deck, Wheel of Fortune, Seven of Cups, Six of Wands, Five of Wands, and Death. Maybe you're dealing with Scorpio here. Sagittarius, lots of you are in separation right now, or it was ended between you and your person. Already it was ended, or some of you want to end relationship with this person, or you want to disconnect from this person. Because a lot of drama is going, maybe a big fight is going between you and your person. Maybe family could be the issue here. Yeah, you want success in this relationship, but it is not happening the way you want. And you are getting success for your hard work. And you are becoming very popular, Sagittarius, in your own circle. For some, you still are in some confusion here, Seven of Cups. And some of you have options regarding your career or regarding your love life. Things are turning into your favor eventually, Wheel of Fortune. So let's see our reading. Recent past, the Hangman, the World, and Three of Pentacles. In recent past, you were feeling stuck because there is no partnership between you and your person. You only investing more in this relationship than your person, and for some the same cycle is repeating between you and your person again and again. That could be the issue here. And for some, you both known to each other. Maybe you both could be colleagues. Then present, Devil, Ten of Wands, and Two of Pentacles. Yes, so the burden is on your shoulder. You're feeling overburdened here, and your emotions are running high. You still have some fears regarding this relationship or regarding some part of your life. You have some fears. That's why you're juggling here. You're trying to balance things. Then future Queen of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, and Eight of Pentacles. So finally, you will take the control of the situation here. You're just focusing on your money. You are working hard towards your goals because Eight of Pentacles is here and Ace of Pentacles. I think there will be financial stability for you, Sagittarius. Your money is very, very good. You are creating more money through multiple options and new beginnings, new opportunities for you. Yeah, you just giving your total energy to your work or to your career here. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. So under the deck, Nine of Swords. So right now, they're thinking about you a lot, and they're thinking about long term with you. Maybe they're feeling that they missed opportunity with you. Now they have regrets. Now they're feeling guilty, and you are on their mind 24/7. Yes, they do love you here. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. A lot of cards. I'm not taking any of these. If it is one, I will take. But if there are more than one, I will not pick. Okay, let's see their intentions also. Yes, I think another deck, Ace of Pentacles, Knight of Cups, Page of Pentacles, and Judgment. Your person want to take some decision regarding this relationship. They want to communicate with you. Text apologies coming. Yeah. So definitely they did hurt you. Now they want to say apology to you and they're ready to offer long term. They're ready to offer marriage here. So the current feelings, Queen of Swords, Devil, and the Sun. They're obsessed with you. I think you both are obsessed with each other. And they also have some fears regarding this relationship. But lots of your person is not expressing their feelings because Queen of Swords. Right now your person thinking through their logical mind, but they're thinking about you very positively because the Sun card is here. Definitely they're thinking about you very positively, but they are not expressing their feelings. And their intentions, the Empress, Knight of Wands, and Knight of Swords. Yeah, they thinking about you like you are their Empress or Emperor, and they are very very attracted to you and they are obsessed with you. Definitely they're missing you a lot. Nine of Swords. They're losing their nights over you, especially at night times. They are missing you a lot. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on and outcome. Yeah, possibilities, harmony. Yes, they are searching for possibilities to make peace with you, to make peace with the situation here, because the harmony with possibilities. Definitely a person planning something big to come forward and they want to offer 10 of cups and they want harmony in this relationship. Wow. Lots of you are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries, or states. Sagittarius, you are going through some transformation or you will go through some transformation. After that, maybe you will take some decision beyond illusion. I think you also thinking about this person a lot and you want to break the illusions and see everything in detail here after the transformation, after this tower moment. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Maybe you're dealing with Capricorn here. Maybe you're dealing with Gemini. I think you both are intuitively connected with each other. You are in a defensive mode. You're doing your own work, Sagittarius. But I am seeing they're just searching for possibilities to come forward here. Definitely they want to reconcile with you if you're in separation. But right now they are also working on their inner self because the strength card is here, because they are going through a lot, 9 of swords energy. That's why they are also working on their inner self. They are also listening to their intuition and trusting their intuition here. And they're wishing, they're praying. You both wishing and praying. But you both are doing your own work because you both are juggling. Still some of you both are juggling here. That's why you both taking your time. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. But they are searching for possibilities. Holding back. Twin flames and past life connection. Holding back, twin flames and past life connections are the messages. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Sagittarius. Bring love into the situation. New Moon in Aquarius. Maybe you're dealing with Aquarius here. Walk through your fears. New Moon in Scorpio. Maybe some of you are dealing with Scorpio here. So if you have any fears, first you have to overcome those fears and surrender to the divine full moon. So if you have any problems but you are not getting any solutions, this is the message for you. Just surrender your problems to the divine. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.